it just looked like the weather is really nice right now. I'm getting some pretty good light, but to be honest, it's been raining all morning. It's almost 10 o'clock and this is what it's looking like right now. But sun, well, not sun exactly, technically, light did come out, and I'm actually happy because I didn't find the phone case I wanted, and I do need to get one because I'm gonna get something fun, guys. It's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna show it to you when I get it, but at least there's light. And look, oh, mailman is already coming. I love this. They're here at like 9:30, 10 o'clock for the holidays. I wish they would do this every day, every week. Like, it doesn't matter if it's the holiday or not, but I definitely appreciate these early mailmen. So guys, that's my morning right now. I'm gonna actually go eat some breakfast. Believe it or not, I do have to go outside. Dreading. I have to go drive. Don't want to, but it's awesome. At least there's some kind of light. Still kind of rainy, but not as bad as I thought it would be. So that's how loud that moment is. But it's still, the weather is definitely so much better. So I'm excited about going. I'll catch you guys later. So guys, before I start working, I'm gonna have this quick breakfast. It's the same granola you saw me put on the honey and oats granola, and then this yogurt. It's low sugar, lower calories, guys. So very simple breakfast, but I'm gonna have a fun lunch later on, so makes up for it. Let's go to work. How exciting is this, guys? Guess what I have inside? A fun Apple product. So I'm gonna show you guys. I feel official now, so I can't wait to show you guys exactly. I'm gonna unbox it and everything for you guys, but this is my little joy and reward for like all my work this year. So can't wait to show you guys. How nice is the weather? Look at this. I actually get to be in beautiful weather. This is the thing about Florida, guys. It's rainy, but then it's beautiful. So it was raining when we were going in, but there's officially no rain, and the weather is gorgeous now. So this is how we're doing this. Love it. But had to run out. I'm glad the weather cleared up. That way I can go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. I waited. Yay! I just love it. This is all I'm doing today. I don't think I'm gonna have much of a productive day today. I'm not doing much, guys, but putting up this video. But I absolutely love the weather. How many of you guys are having fun today doing nothing?